Hey tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are unloading 4 Canary Island Date Palms. This one has about 8 foot of trunk. The other 3 have 4 feet of trunk. We're going to bring that over and lay it on this rack right here so it's up off the ground. These go in the backyard of that house. We love canaries at the Tree Planters. We love every kind of tree at the Tree Planters. But we've got these. We have a big supply of them. They go all the way up to about 12 foot of trunk height. Should you want one, give us a call. Check us out at thetreeplanters.com. Call us from there and we'll get it in.